Sorry about the glare. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and I'm facing directly into the sun. The truck is moving back and forth and you see the needle bouncing. It hasn't shut off on me, but it is bouncing around. It's a very rough idle. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in neutral, give it some gas. All right, as you can see, it was very dangerous to do because I'm actually turning into the store. So it was not a good idea to put it in neutral right here at this corner, but it was what I had to do to keep it from turning off.